Future. But having said that, and also Pax, I remember si Roy saying, we potentially the biggest Sarami ex-seminary sa Pilipinas, pagsama-sama ng lahat yan, malakas tayo. Our dilemma really with our identities as X has been my problem really. That's my starting point sa amin. Normally, pag yung ini-introduce after EDSA in 86, ang introduction sa akin, triple X. Ex-priest, ex-prisoner, ex-rebel. Pagkatapos pumasok ko sa TESDA, nilagdag ang pang-apat, ex-government official. So okay naman, no, napapakute. But what are you? Of course, we are defined by our past. But what are we? Kaya ako happy nung nilagay sa gitna, Lay Society of St. Arnold. Never mind pa si Arnold. Lay leadership. Catholic lay leadership. Noong pa sa seminary din, pinag-usapan natin, lalo na palabas na rin si Charlie, so tiniteorize na yung paglabas niya. No, really, the priesthood of the laity and Catholic lay leadership is really the key to politics. Conflicted pag-clergy ang leader ng Catholic politics because, ano naman, hindi naman na-ordain ng bishops and priests and nuns to be partisan politics yan kahit principle. The church is supposed to try to, gano'n. Pero kailangan may mag-partisan, delay. Plus, yun nga, medyo mas grounded. No? Since I have the 20 minutes, first of all, mabuti lang nag-sin Jerome at may panel, so hindi ko papel ang synthesis. Hindi papel ko analysis. So ako na mag-chop-chop-chop, bahala na kayo pagsamahin yan. No? Sobra naman. Nag-analyze na ako, magsisynthesize pa. Ano kayo, hello? But it's important kasi in this conclusions, well, mahalaga siguro just to look at the component. At least it gives us clarity. One time I attended a party, parang parang mutual consolation party nung si Erin Tanyada, hindi napiling senatorial candidate ng LP. Nagkaroon ng parabagang consolation party doon sa PRRM, lahat ng speeches, kahit nagalit, yun ba na yun. No, ako'y pinagsalita, ganito na lamang ang akin, kasi puro aktivista yun eh. Alam nyo, ang aming observation, patawa lang pero may katotohanan, sa pagitan ng eleksyon na gusto natin, at sa pagitan ng revolusyon na pinasukan natin, tignan natin ang ating maraming ilusyon. So today, I'll be discussing the illusions. Illusions are not by themselves wrong because they are part of our dreams. No? Pero ito may i-gram natin ay SBD ko po, keyword incarnation. Flesh and blood. Kung Diyos kang nakalutang, walang problema. Pero pasok ka. Remember in fundamental theology, nung ako ni John Fullen ba, si Christ ba ay may growing awareness ang pagka-Diyos niya? Hindi ko na pag-aralan yun. Pero siguro ka ako, pag tunay na tao, hindi naman genius from zero. May evolution yan. Pero tunay na Diyos siya. Paano yun? Pag tunay na Diyos, alam lahat agad. Ang daling sabihin. Kaya nung ako in-interview na isang conservative South African TV, akala niya, dahil aktivista ako, you mean you really believe Christ is truly God and truly human? Yes! I said, but most Filipinos do not. They are only religious. They believe Christ is God. They are not sure if He is man. And that is why when we priests go into activism, they will say, hindi yan para sa inyo. Para yan sa social welfare officers at lay leaders and all that. No, I'm starting with this because